I have a decision to make with you, Mr. Kirby. I hope you will join us. Sure, Jackson, why won't? And where shall we go for expedition? It would be an excellent journey for us to travel the Jurassic jungle. But I think it would be a bad idea. It's a great job, but it will be a bad idea, I think. What's a bad idea? Nothing bad idea. It will be a great journey for us, and we hope you all shall join me to explore the Jurassic jungle. Yes, I shall, Mr. Jackson. And Mr. Kirby, what do you say? I shall also go with you, sir. It will be my great pleasure. I would like to be your guide. Sure, Sir Toby. Sir Jackson, what shall we do now? I think it would be a good idea to explore the land instead of doing. We can explore the lands. We shall get to see some dinosaurs as well. Dinosaurs thing would be not a great idea. Let us see what shall we do. Okay, let's just explore the land. Well, I suggest that we shall do a campfire here and spend our rest of the night here. Otherwise, in deep jungle, it might be a trouble for us. Yes. Now come on, let's see what we can do. Okay. I shall go now. Sir Jackson, shall I be your guide? Mr. Kirby? Yes, please. You stay here, let me go and see. No, sir, we will go together. If any danger comes, we will face it together. We will not be alone. Okay, let's go now. And we shall get to see some dinosaurs as well. We are hoping for that. We are hoping for a great journey to come. Oh, please wait. What's that? It's really big. What is it? Is it a dinosaur or something? I have no idea, sir. Then what is it? I think Brachiosaurus or something like that. Where is it? Wow, yaks. Wow, so amazing things. I shall take a photo of them. Wow, so nice thing. I must say, very good thing. Sir, Mr. Kirby, yes? We shall spend our time here watching these dinosaurs. Okay, move on. Shall we move on any further? Let's rest here and see what we can do. We have no other options. Seeing these dinosaurs is a wastage of time. I came here for my expedition. Come on, let's go. Yes, come on, let's move it. Okay, everyone, you can come as well. No need to worry, there is no danger here. Yes, we have came. The forest is so dense, oh my god. Let's just see what we can do over here. Sir, I have a fire. Some bombs. We have some bombs. Bombs for what? If any danger comes, we can explode him. We can explode him into pieces. That's a good idea. I have a rifle. But in rifle will not work. Let's see what we can do. We have something to do in order to make ourselves settle in this dangerous island. Okay. Let's see what we can do. We shall spend the rest of our night here. Yes, you are right. But I am thinking that we should return to our camp. Camping, yes, it's a good idea. Why shall we not return to our camp instead of staying here? I have an idea. What? We shall explore more. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, I am agreeing. Yes, Mr. Kirby. Yes, I am ready to explore. Okay, let's see. Hey, what's that? What's that? I have no idea what's that. Is that... Oh my god, what is it? I think it's night. No, just look at them. Oh, wow. Oh. 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 Wow, just look at them. They look amazing. Yes. Now hurry up. Hurry up, we have to leave now. Okay, you are right. Okay, move on. Don't waste time, move on. Yes. Yes, sir, we shall move on. Come on, everybody, come on. Just move on. Sir, this place looks very insane. I think something is wrong about this place. I feel something fishy. Okay, now let us go to sleep now. It's already light. Is your cell phone working? Yes, sir, it is working. And what's the time now? I think 9 p.m. Let's go to sleep. Otherwise, if any danger can come, we can't handle. Okay, let's sleep now. Oh, what happened? What's that sound? You can hear anything? No, I can't. What is it? Oh no, it is T-Rex. Don't make any sound, otherwise he will hear us. Please don't make any sound. See why I told you this island is dangerous. Mr. Kirby, you did not hear me. With God's aid, we are saved. Otherwise, He would have. I don't know. I don't have any idea what He would have done to us. Okay, it's morning now. Let us go. Oh, what a terrible night. Yes, Mr. Kirby. Jackson, we shall leave this place, I think. No, sir, no, we shall not. Let's see. Oh no, my cell phone is not working. Do. Please call a helicopter. We should leave this place. Yes, you are right. Let me call a helicopter at once. Oh no, they are not hearing us. Oh, what's that? What's that sound? Sir, I think a storm is coming. Storm? Oh no, they are coming at us. Run, run. Did you see that? Yes, I do. Oh my God. Mr. Kirby, is everybody here? Yes, I think. Oh my God. Just look at the dead dinosaur. It is killed brutally. I can hear the sound of the helicopter. Yes, it's a helicopter. Let's move. God bless you, everyone. Hey, we are here. We are here. Take us. Take us.